at some point of time you'll feel that the work you're doing is good, but then somewhere you feel that this is maybe not what you want. Hi, my name is Chandrika, and I'm a senior analyst in Deloitte. And I've been graduated from a college in Hyderabad, and I've been in Deloitte from past 3 years. Being a senior analyst was a great thing, and that career path was also good. It's just that I was wondering what else career options I would have. So my friend wanted to have a career counseling session with you guys. So I got to know from that. I go through a Google research and I saw the reviews, and I heard a lot about Dr. Rati and how his guidance was good, and also I was like, okay, why can't I try this? I think Set My Career helped me through the process where I can think of more career options. So reports were, those reports were explaining a lot of details which I didn't know about myself, and I was surprised by the fact that am I this? Is this my strength? And so what should I work on, which part? And that was actually surprising. So those reports were explaining whole about you. So my career counselor was Dr. Rati, and it was it's online. I wanted to go on a basic. They were of course like basic and advanced and that. So I was like, why can't I go to the main person and ask about my things and my career issues and all. So I think that was a best decision I made, and I have also told to Dr. Rati that. So this is what it is, and I'm not sure what to do. And he explained it very I can't say I think anyone would ever understand in the first session, and he pretty much understood maximum of things. And the reports, he explained all the reports, and it was nice experience. You ever feel that I need to know what else I want to do, and you'll get stuck at a point. And it's not that your preparation is not good, or it's not that your organization is not good. It's just that you're not sure what exactly where you belong to, and that curiosity will lead to lots of troublesome, and you'll get stuck. So and in that scenario, I think you should go for a career counselor and ask what exactly you should be doing, and based on your personality traits and characteristics, your capabilities. I think that will help you out. This career counseling thing, you can take at any age. There's nothing, it's not like you'll have to take only after your schooling is completed, or only once your degree is completed. At any point of time, you will need a career counselor. So that point, actually, I felt, oh my god. So actually it's a bonus point which I got. And I think you guys are doing pretty good. I would rate 10 out of 10.